Picture this, you're up against 10 other offers, but you're the one walking away with the keys. I've spent years perfecting this strategy, and today I'm giving you the playbook to make your offer stand out. In this video, I will tell you the exact steps you can take to make your offer unbeatable, give you a game-changing situation where you can stand out amidst multiple offers, brief you on some mistakes new homeowners make, and so much more. Hi, my name is Tadrika Sehgal and I'm a real estate expert. If you watch till the end, I have a bonus waiting for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. What steps must you take to make your offer unbeatable? Your offer doesn't need to be the highest, it just needs to be the smartest. Let me show you how. First, getting pre-approved for a home loan shows the seller you're serious and can afford the house. This makes your offer look stronger. You can also offer more than the asking price if you're in a competitive market, but be careful not to go over your budget. Adding an escalation clause is another smart move. This means you're willing to outbid others up to a certain amount, showing the seller you want the house. Other steps include waiving some contingencies like inspection or financing, but this can be risky. So be sure to talk with your realtor before making such decisions. You would also increase your earnest money, which shows you're committed to buying the home. Writing a personal letter to the seller telling them why you love the house can help them feel more connected to you. Being flexible with the closing date and working with a skilled realtor will also help make your offer stand out and be unbeatable. How can you stand out in a multiple offer situation? In a multiple offer situation, you need to do more than just offer a high price to stand out. One great way is to offer a bigger down payment. This shows the seller you are serious and have the money ready. It can make your offer stronger, and if it's not the highest one. Another idea is to ask a few favors, like not asking the seller to pay for closing costs or repairs. Sellers want deals that are easy and quick, so keeping things simple can help you stand out. You can also include an appraisal gap guarantee. This means you're willing to pay more if the house doesn't appraise for the offer price, which makes the seller feel safe about the deal. Another good tip is to shorten the time for inspections. Sellers like it when buyers move fast and don't delay the process. Finally, being quick to respond and staying flexible can make a big difference. Sellers will appreciate working with someone easy to communicate with and ready to act fast. What mistakes are most buyers making that keep them from winning their dream home? Many buyers make mistakes that can hurt their chances of getting their dream home. One big mistake is not getting pre-approved for a home loan. Sellers like to see that a buyer can afford the house, and pre-approval shows you're serious. Another mistake is ignoring your credit score. A low credit score can make it harder to get a loan or might mean you have to pay more in interest. Make sure to check your credit before starting the home search. Also, be careful not to overextend your budget. It's easy to fall in love with a house, but you need to stick to what you can afford. Skipping the home inspection is another common mistake. Always get an inspection to make sure there are no hidden problems with the house. Some buyers also rush the process and miss out on good homes, while others get too emotional and forget to think about the long-term value. Finally, don't forget to look at the neighborhood. You want to live in a place that feels right for you. And remember, working with the realtor can help. They can guide you through the process, help with the negotiations, and make sure you're making the best decision. What insider tips do realtors use to ensure their clients' offers are accepted? In a competitive housing market, realtors have smart ways to help their clients stand out. One strategy is offering a lease back option. This means allowing the seller to stay in the home for a short time after the sale, giving them more time to move. This flexibility can make your offer more appealing to sellers who need extra time to find their next place. Another tip is to add an appraisal gap guarantee. If the home's appraisal comes in lower than the offer, you agree to cover the difference. This helps the seller feel secure, knowing the deal won't fall apart due to financing issues. Realtors also recommend increasing the earnest money deposit and making it non-refundable. This shows the seller you're serious and reduces their risk if you back out. Additionally, offering to cover some of the seller's costs like closing fees or transfer taxes can sweeten the deal and make your offer stand out. Finally, submitting an early offer can give you an advantage, as sellers are more likely to accept a reasonable offer quickly, especially if it saves them from more showings and waiting. These strategies, when used together, can help boost your chances of winning a bidding war. How can you negotiate your offer without overpaying? To negotiate your offer without overpaying, it's important to be smart about your approach. One good strategy is to offer a fair but slightly lower price. Going too low can make the seller reject your offer outright, but starting just below what you're willing to pay gives you room to negotiate. It also shows you're serious about the home while respecting the seller's position. Timing is key too. If the seller is in a rush to move, they might be more open to negotiating the price. Another way to save money is by negotiating more than just the price. You can ask the seller to cover some of the closing costs or leave behind certain appliances. Offering to make minor repairs yourself or covering part of the closing costs might also make your offer more attractive. This way, you keep the price low but still get extra value. By focusing on both the price and terms, you can make a smart offer that benefits both you and the seller. Now, let's talk about the bonus tip for making your offer unbeatable. One extra tip to enhance your offer is to stay connected with the seller's agent. Establishing a good relationship with seller's agent can give you valuable insights into what the seller truly wants. They might share details about the seller's timeline, motivations, or any terms they are particularly interested in. This information can help you tailor your offer to meet the seller's needs better, increasing your chances of acceptance. Additionally, consider including a personal touch in your offer. While a personal letter about why you love the home can help create an emotional connection, it's also effective to express flexibility and willingness to accommodate the seller's preferences, like their closing timeline. A well-rounded approach that combines strong financial terms with personal touches can make your offer more appealing. If you found value and would like to see more videos, click on the boxes on the screen. If you would like to know more about the Toronto's real estate, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my socials to keep yourself updated. Hit the like button if you found this video informative. Once again, I'm Tadlika Sehgal, your real estate expert, and you can get in touch with me through my contact details in the description box below. See you in the next video.